there, I'm so glad you found this page and you're seeking a clutter-free lifestyle. I want to start by emphasizing something crucial. Having clutter and being disorganized does not define who we are as individuals. It defines our current circumstances, and the good news is we have the power to change those circumstances. I'm a mother of 4 and I spent most of my time working outside of the house while raising my children. I wasn't born organized, not by a long shot. I know exactly what it's like to frantically search for a pair of socks or a pair of shoes. What about an umbrella when we actually need it? I've experienced the frustration of having a closet full of clothes and nothing to wear. And I felt the stress of somebody ringing the doorbell when I didn't want to open it, invite them in, because I was embarrassed of the clutter in my house. So here's the thing, you're not alone if you also feel this way. There are countless people who share the same struggles. The good news is I found my way out of that chaos, and now it's my privilege to help others do the same. I love working one-on-one as a professional organizer, and I love my clients. But I know there's an army of people who need the help that can't afford to hire a professional organizer. So I created this program to reach more people and offer it at a fraction of the cost of in-person organizing. In the Clutter-Free Collective, we show you how to declutter and organize your space room by room. We come together twice a month where I coach members on the topics that they need help with the most. But here's what sets this program apart. I'm here to answer your individual questions. We all have unique journeys when it comes to achieving a clutter-free lifestyle, and I'm dedicated to meeting you right where you are. You let me know where you're stuck, send me a picture of your space, and I can help guide you on how to chunk up the work and start moving forward. Don't want to send me a picture? That's not a problem. Send me your questions. I'll respond with a video or email just for your eyes to help you get unstuck. I just recorded a video with options to help a member who needed a solution on where to keep her mail. Last week, I recorded a video helping a member who has a very small kitchen and was struggling to find space for all of her stuff. I responded with suggestions on how to optimize what she has and gave her some inexpensive product solutions that she can incorporate into her kitchen to give her some more storage space. So whether you're just starting or well on your way, I'm here to support you. I encourage you to take a chance on yourself and join our community. We're all like-minded individuals, all working towards the same goal to live a clutter-free lifestyle. Remember, your clutter does not define you, but your decision to take action can redefine your life. I hope to see you on the inside in the group where we can embark on this journey together. See you soon.